this train?
I don't know, Mom. The train is no more.
Oh no, we missed the train. We can go there. It's too far away, the high-speed train. We need more trains.
Don't worry, I have a new train is...
Whose name the steam train is that?
Wait, its name is Ruby 104 Steam Train of Hills. Is a red steam train. To be exposed, this steam train that wasn't from 1899. Ruby 104 Steam Train of Hills. That's not reported from Baby Island Kingdom State. That in location somewhere.
Everyone, get in the train now. It's ready. It's ready to go now. Let's go.
Okay, so we have a location. This one, we have some parts of the France. We can't stop this France. That should be enough. But the France will be is France then. Like France them. France then will catch them, this France. You understand. You remember we'll repeat this. This is not a repeat this,
Jar Jar, I hope this hot food. We not sure this giant crab like in Japan. Kyumen can no more red. I don't leave it to Tokyo, Asan. In Maratan City. Don't let anyone see this crab. Did you know this?
Yes, fuck me, this kind of thing, call me no more.
So, what if the Kyumen can no power and what instead is reason against? At years in November 30, 1999, is the years of Kyumen can no power and
Wait,
We have a replacement. This giant
from a
Japanese
yes.
that maybe
Sir,
we don't know what
office.
but we're at the rest
Yes.
these are
Colonel
time.
Yes, I will
Yes.
Espera, esta prueba és, si espiteu giliu i el calou amb el tope un gagin jeuda a l'abselteu, és la langosta fien masca en Corea del Sur, la gusta criudaïna japonès, que significa frijol en Corea del Sur.
It's a nice name like kind of thing, call me no more. There's a country, it's Japan, Korean. That sneaky, dangerous giant lobster out. Hell.
Wait, I have an idea. His name is 6 Gilan Dog Mouthball Popular Gadget GMP Lamp
it is out next.
6 Gilan Dog Mouthball Popular Gadget GMP Lamp is a South Korean lobster. It was named to Sky Data Candy No Popper. Or 6 Gilan Dog Mouthball Popular Gadget GMP Lamp is Korean giant lobster. Is from December 8, 1999. That's in Christmas in South Korea. Is from Seoul, South Korea.